Fishing from a kayak is one of those experiences that never gets old. Whether you're chasing bass at sunrise, drifting over deep water for trout, or just enjoying the peace of being out on the lake. But the right kayak can make all the difference. A good fishing kayak gives you stability to cast with confidence, room for your gear, and comfort for those long days on the water. In this video, we're walking through 20 of the best fishing kayaks available on Amazon. From lightweight inflatables to fully rigged sit-on-top platforms with rod holders, storage, and all the features serious anglers love. Whether you're a weekend warrior or trying to fish like a pro, there's something here that'll get you out on the water with confidence. Bonafide XTR130. The Bonafide XTR130 fishing kayak is a premium fishing kayak designed for anglers who want stability, space, and serious performance on the water. With a length of about 12 feet 7 inches and a wide 40.5-inch hull, it provides excellent balance, making it ideal for standing and casting while fishing. It features a comfortable swivel seat, large storage areas, and multiple gear tracks for mounting accessories. The kayak supports a weight capacity of around 730 to 750 pounds and weighs about 155 pounds. Prices typically start around $2,900, depending on configuration. Wilderness Systems Pungo. The Wilderness Systems Pungo is a well-known recreational fishing kayak that blends speed, comfort, and stability for long days on the water. Measuring about 12 feet 2 inches in length, 29 inches wide, and weighing around 49 pounds, it offers excellent tracking and easy paddling. The Phase 3 Air Pro adjustable seat, roomy cockpit, and rear hatch storage make it great for anglers and casual paddlers alike. With a maximum capacity of 325 pounds, it handles gear easily. The kayak typically sells for around $1,100, depending on the model and retailer. Pelican Sentinel 100X. The Pelican Sentinel 100X Angler is a lightweight and affordable fishing kayak built for beginners and casual anglers. Measuring about 9 feet 6 inches long and weighing only 44 pounds, it's easy to transport and launch almost anywhere. The multi-chine flat-bottom hull provides excellent stability when casting or reeling in fish. It also features durable Ram-X construction, adjustable footrests, and a removable ExoPack storage compartment for gear. With a maximum capacity of 275 pounds, it's a solid entry-level option priced around $440. Perception Pescador Pro. The Perception Pescador Pro 10 is a reliable side-on-top fishing kayak designed for comfort and stability on lakes, ponds, and slow rivers. It measures 10 feet 6 inches long, 32 inches wide, weighs about 57 pounds, and supports up to 325 pounds, making it ideal for anglers carrying gear. The adjustable lawn chair style seat keeps you comfortable during long fishing trips, while large front and rear storage areas hold tackle easily. Durable rotomolded construction ensures lasting performance. This versatile fishing kayak typically sells for around $900. Rackham Aero Boat. The Boaty Rackham Aero is a premium inflatable fishing kayak-style paddleboard designed for anglers who want stability and versatility on the water. Measuring 12 feet 4 inches long and 38 inches wide, it offers excellent balance and a 400-pound capacity, making it ideal for fishing with gear. Built with durable aeroboat inflatable construction, it feels rigid like a hardboard while remaining portable. It also includes a paddle seat, gear mounts, and travel bag. Weighing about 45 pounds, it's easy to transport, and typically sells for around $1,900. Wilderness Systems Tarpon. The Wilderness Systems Tarpon is a popular side-on-top fishing kayak known for its comfort, speed, and reliability on the water. Measuring 10 feet 6 inches long and 32 inches wide, it weighs about 55 pounds and supports up to 325 pounds, making it ideal for anglers carrying gear. The Phase 3 Air Pro adjustable seat keeps you comfortable during long fishing sessions, while the rear tank well and front hatch provide plenty of storage. Smooth tracking and excellent stability make it easy to paddle. The Tarpon typically sells for around $900. Perception Outlaw Kayak. The Perception Outlaw 11.5 is a stable and spacious fishing kayak designed for anglers who want comfort and plenty of gear capacity. Measuring 11 feet 6 inches long and 35 inches wide, it weighs about 77 pounds and supports an impressive 425-pound capacity, making it great for carrying fishing gear and coolers. The elevated fold-away frame seat keeps you comfortable during long trips, while 4 integrated rod holders and large storage areas make it very angler-friendly. Durable and versatile, this fishing kayak typically sells for around $1,030. Lifetime Tamarack Angler. The Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 fishing kayak is a reliable and beginner-friendly fishing kayak that offers great value for casual anglers. Measuring 10 feet long and 31 inches wide, it weighs around 50 pounds and supports up to 275 pounds, providing solid stability on lakes and slow rivers. Its flat-bottom hull with deep tracking channels helps keep the kayak steady while paddling or casting. With 3 rod holders, 2 storage hatches, and an adjustable padded seat, it's well equipped for fishing trips. This affordable fishing kayak typically sells for around $600. Wilderness Systems Recon. The Wilderness Systems Recon 120 is a high-end fishing kayak built for serious anglers who want power, stability, and premium comfort on the water. At about 12 feet long and 38 inches wide, it provides a large standing platform and supports up to 450 pounds of gear and paddler weight. It features the Aero Ace's 360-degree swivel seat, Stow Pro storage system, and smart hull technology for excellent stability and tracking. Dual rod troughs keep rods secure and accessible. This advanced fishing kayak typically sells for around $3,160 depending on configuration. Vibe Yellowfin Kayak. The Vibe Yellowfin 120 kayak is a standout sit-on-top fishing kayak that blends speed, stability, and customization for serious anglers. At 12 feet long with a 33-inch beam, it tracks well and feels rock-solid underfoot, even when casting or exploring choppy water. It has 10 integrated gear tracks, dual-sealed hatches, a large rear tank well, and a breathable hero seat for comfort all day. With a 400-pound capacity and a rotomolded hull, it's both durable and versatile. This feature-rich kayak is typically priced around $950 to $1,000. Old Town Sportsman Kayak. The Old Town Sportsman PDL 106 is a premium pedal-drive fishing kayak that brings hands-free propulsion and serious stability to your water adventures. At 10 feet 6 inches long with a 36-inch beam, it glides smoothly thanks to its W hull and supports up to 450 pounds of people and gear. The award-winning PDL pedal drive makes forward/reverse easy, leaving your hands free for fishing. With multiple rod holders, accessory tracks, dry storage hatches, and a comfortable adjustable seat, it's both comfortable and versatile. This high-end fishing kayak typically retails for around $2,700. Wilderness Systems ATAK. The Wilderness Systems ATAK 120 is a premium fishing kayak built for anglers seeking top-tier performance and customization in a more manageable package. At 12 feet 3 inches long and 35 inches wide, it delivers exceptional stability and a wind-shedding hull that tracks well across lakes and rivers. The Aero Max adjustable seat keeps you comfortable all day, while Slide Trax accessory rails and a FlexPod OS console let you rig it your way. With an 86-pound weight and 400-pound capacity, this highly versatile kayak is typically priced around $1,727. Dolphin Journey. The Dolphin Journey 10-foot sit-on-top fishing kayak is an affordable, lightweight entry-level fishing kayak perfect for beginners and casual anglers. It's made from rugged UV-stabilized high-density polyethylene, weighs about 44 pounds, and has a 250-pound capacity, making it easy to carry and launch on lakes or calm rivers. The sight-on-top design includes 2 flush mount and 1 swivel rod holder, adjustable foot braces, pack storage, and deck rigging for gear. While its short hull means tracking isn't great, it's a good budget choice for relaxed fishing trips. Intex Pro K2. The Intex Pro K2 inflatable fishing kayak is a great budget-friendly choice for casual anglers or beginners looking to get on the water without a big investment. When fully inflated, it stretches about 12.7 feet long and 3.1 feet wide with a 400-pound capacity, so you can paddle solo or tandem comfortably. Made from super tough 3-ply PVC, it offers decent stability and includes 2 paddles, pump, rod holders, and storage space, making it affordable, adventure-ready fun around $292. Vibe Sea Ghost. The Vibe Sea Ghost 110 Kayak Angler Package is a well-rounded fishing kayak that balances agility, comfort, and fishing-ready features in a manageable platform. At 11 feet 6 inches long, with a 33-inch beam and a 425-pound capacity, it offers great stability and room for gear on lakes, rivers, or coastal water. Comfort comes from the dual-position Hero Seat 2.0 and adjustable foot braces, while integrated tackle tray slots, rod holders, and a rudder add serious utility. Built from rotomolded polyethylene, this kayak typically retails around $999 to $1,200, making it a strong choice for anglers looking for performance without a pro-level price tag. Nixy Tahoe Inflatable Kayak. The Nixy Tahoe Inflatable Kayak is a versatile, travel-ready inflatable kayak that's great for fishing, touring, or just exploring calm water. At about 12 feet 6 inches long and 39 inches wide, it's stable and roomy with a 400-pound plus capacity and a rigid drop-stitch floor that feels surprisingly firm on the water. It includes 2 adjustable seats, hybrid carbon paddles, bungee cargo zones, and multiple mounts for accessories or rod holders, making setup easy. Packable and quick to inflate, this kayak typically retails for around $700 to $925. Pelican Catch Classic Angler. The Pelican Catch Classic 100 fishing kayak is a solid choice for anglers seeking a stable, easy-to-use sit-on-top kayak without breaking the bank. At about 10 feet long, 34 inches wide, and weighing roughly 57 pounds, it's manageable to transport and launch. Built from durable Ramex premium material, it has a 350-pound weight capacity and a comfortable ErgoCast dual-position seat that's great for long days on the water. With handy features like a front quick-lock hatch, rear tank well, 2 rod holders, accessory rails, and adjustable footrests, this kayak offers good storage and customization for tackle and gear. It typically retails around $600, making it an excellent value for beginner to intermediate anglers. Pelican Catch Kicker. The Pelican Catch Kicker 110 HD2 is a fun and capable pedal-drive fishing kayak that makes covering water effortless. At about 10 feet 5 inches long and 33 inches wide, it weighs around 59 pounds with a 300-pound capacity, and its high-drive 2-pedal system lets you power through shallow water without tiring. The ErgoBoost seating system keeps you comfortable all day, while the rudder helps with tracking and steering. Built-in rigging tracks on the handles make accessory setup easy, and it typically retails for around $1,165 depending on retailer and configuration. Brooklyn Tandem. The Brooklyn 12.5 Tandem Kayak is a versatile sit-on-top fishing kayak that's perfect for couple or family outings on lakes, rivers, or calm coastal waters. At about 12.5 feet long, with a wide 34-inch beam and a 600-pound capacity, it delivers great stability and room for 2 adults plus gear, or even a third paddler. It includes 2 Deluxe padded seats, 2 paddles, 6 rod holders, and ample storage for tackle and coolers. Lightweight at around 75 pounds, it's easy to transport and ready for adventure. This angler-friendly tandem typically retails around $947.